Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Wednesday, November 6, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as two individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start with this one. And this is a projected speed line, 1/3 speed line, 133.70 off the August low. We also have a nearer term, and that is to say kind of a 2-month channel bottom. The speed line is 3 months. The channel bottom is 2 months. It was late last week, Thursday, I believe, that we broke the channel, closed below it by a degree, and then gapped back above it last Friday. And so then we incorporated the 1/3 speed line as our clarifying downward pivot point actually through the rest of November. But until then, you can consider this a range of support that can contain selling really through the rest of November, because above this, we maintain a 3 to 5 week rally likelihood or sooner to the 154.98 3-month channel top. And in fact, it was yesterday's settlement above 137 even that has underscored that likelihood. This could be now within 2 to 3 weeks. On the way up, we have 143.71. That is the high settlement price. And so the day itself, you can buy 137 even in anticipation of 143.71. We have minor points in between for aggressive day traders, but it really is, this is kind of the day trade setup. Holding above 137 even, I do see 143.71 as in reach today. It can contain daily buying pressures, and certainly if we were to close today above 143.71, we could by the end of next week reach that 154.98 channel top. So if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, it is be long, stay long above 137 even, and it is get short, stay short following a settlement today below 133.70, which I don't expect. Having settled above the 137 even formation, I do see the 143.71 high settlement price, all-time high settlement price, I might add, in reach today. We can top out here on a daily basis, solid day trade material, as is 137 even. And once again, if we close above 143.71, our 3 to 5 week objective then narrowed to within 1 to 2 weeks. Now, downside, if we happen to break or open below 137 even, we do have 136.52. I mean, these are right on top of each other. So, it doesn't matter to me whether you buy 137 even or you hold out for 136.52. Either way, this is kind of our range right here, 137 even down to 133.70. If we fall into this zone, if we break 137 even, for instance, we probably do have a good high for the day. But I'm not interested in playing the short side into later week, into later November, unless we close then below 133.70. So we'll just kind of see how this plays out, but it is stay long above there's 136.52, the rising channel bottom, or 137 even, have your pick, and then you get short with a settlement below 133.70. So to cover the downside, if we were to close today below 133.70, and I think it's a long shot given the fact that we've tested support, we now have a buy signal that played out on Tuesday's close above 137 even, so I don't think it is likely today that we'll close below 133.70, but if we did, then we've got a good November high, and over the next 3 to 5 weeks, I would expect the 111.84 to 114.73 region. So it, closing below 133.70, you may consider reaching for 115 strike, 120 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for at least 2 to 3 months. That would be the play if we were to close below 133.70. But until then, the inverse is true. Holding above the 133.70 to 136.52 region, if you're an options trader, you might reach for 155 or 160 160 out of the money calls that don't expire for at least 2 to 3 months on that 3 to 5 week upside play. The same channel top, that 154.98 on the daily chart, comes in at the weekly chart at 158.97. And so it is essentially a range, and it is rising the channel by late December to converge with the 1-year channel top. So I'm just this is more of a kind of a forecasting heads up. Like, we'll see what the timing is, but this will become a significant zone of resistance into later December, able to both channels contain buying on a quarterly basis. We can fall away from here in a meaningful way. And if we were to close above this zone, this market becomes increasingly vertical as we move into Q1, Q2 of next year. Is there anything else to say beyond what I already have? I don't think so. I'll leave you with this chart. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. You'll get 2 stock picks every week. At least this week, you'll get 2 fresh stock picks that cater to the 3 to 5 week out to the 3 to 5 month position traders, always looking for 20% at least moves. Daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock analysis, etc., etc. You get 5 days free trial up front. In other words, you do have to enter your credit card information, and the clock begins to tick. Your provided log information. You can check everything out on a day-by-day basis. You get notifications when the material is ready to receive, ready to view. And then, on day 6, your credit card is transacted for the first month, but it's cancelable at any time. So check us out. I will be back, of course, tomorrow with Thursday's NVIDIA report, and you have a great day.